but we're not really ready to do that yet. The first thing we've got to do now is we already own a domain, which is integrityresourcesinc.com, and we need for that domain to point to our hosting account. To have it point to our account, we're going to use these name server addresses right here, this NS1 and NS2 name server address. So I'm going to write those down. Okay, and now we're going to use that information to change the name servers on our URL, which we currently have registered with GoDaddy. So I'm going to go over to my GoDaddy account. I'm going to go into that domain, integrityresourcesinc.com. You can see there's a little drop down area here. I'm going to click on that, and you can see that it comes up and says set name servers, which is what we need to do. Okay, so you can see in this case the little pop-up box with name server settings are set to standard, which is the name servers addresses that come with GoDaddy. We're going to use the ones that we just wrote down from SiteGround. So I'm going to click on custom, and then I'm going to click on this little button here that says edit name servers, and then in this box right here I'm going to paste in the information that I copied from my email, and it was NS1 and then NS2 here, and I'm going to hit OK, and now we're going to just save.
Could you use just the standard one?
If we were using GoDaddy for our hosting servers, yes, we would just use whatever name servers they gave us, because we would actually be using GoDaddy's servers to host our WordPress account.
Okay.
And GoDaddy and WordPress, from everything I've experienced, are just not really working very well together. That's why we like SiteGround. We have a known entity. That's all SiteGround does. They don't do all the other things that GoDaddy does. It's just a company that's just set up and dedicated to hosting. So rather than trying to get in here and mix all this other stuff up that GoDaddy offers and still try and get a good hosting account with them, I've just not heard good things about long term their WordPress hosting, and I do know SiteGround works, so that's our preference to go there. So let's jump back over to SiteGround now, and we're going to log into our account. Okay, and now we're into our account. The next step is we're going to go ahead and get our WordPress set up with our account. So we'll do that next. Okay.
All right.